Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you these workbooks from Key to Practice. I have bought these workbooks from Instagram, but they have a website also, that is keytopractice.com. Today I'm going to show you all the 4 workbooks. These are for English. It comes in this beautiful bag. It can be reused. It's a cloth bag. And then they also give you a timetable. So what you can do is you can just fill in the pages of the workbooks you are going to do. Like on Monday, on Tuesday, page 2, page 4, like this. So you can make a school timetable kind of thing. Now these are a complete series of practice worksheets for English. So for the first workbook is alphabets, second is vowels and sounds, third is blends 1, and then fourth is blends 2. So I'm going to show you one by one what exactly is this in the book. So first is English workbook, alphabets. It is for age 4 to 7. Basically these workbooks are for those kids who already recognize letters and sound of the letters. So yeah, we have done that. So basically it's written here. It's written, if you complete 4 workbooks in 12 months, you're outstanding. If you complete 3 workbooks in 12 months, you're very good. And if you complete 0 to 2 workbooks in 12 months, there's a smiley, like you are succeeding, you are growing. So this whole workbook is the series of alphabets here, capital letters and small letters, all the objects starting from letter A, and they are very thorough with it. And then letter recognition, as you can see we have done that. Help and collect all A's, capital and small as well, by encircling them. So basically you have to circle all the capital and small letters. And then this is the letter recognition. So what is here is, there are some simple sentences like Ahana likes to eat apple. So basically you have to find A written as well as speaking, like sound of A. Like Ahana likes to eat apple. So all the A's you have to circle, underline, and then you have to trace A, capital as well as small a. So there are approximately 4 sentences and 4 times you have to trace. So it's basically practicing capital and small letters, understanding the sounds of the letters, beginning sounds, and then objects starting from those alphabets. So this is up to letter Z. And after that they have more practice sheets like sequencing of letters. Fill in the missing letters. So basically the child now knows after B comes C, after D comes E. So you have to fill it. Like say this alphabet song and then just find the missing letter. Like A, B, C, D, E. So where is E? There is no E, write E there. Because they have already practiced writing, so they can write here. That's why it's in the back of the workbook. Then there is a maze. It's a very simple maze. You have to sequence from A to Z. Again, the sequence, but then the sequence is to give the correct order. Like which one is odd one? Like G, H, I, J. K doesn't stand here. So that's why K is orange here. So you have to color it according to that. Then sequencing again. Then some some confusing letters like B and D and P. So you have to color them according to the written lines here. Like L with red color, T with orange color, G with pink color, kind of thing. Correspondence of letters to real objects. Now what you have to do here is encircle all the things beginning with the letter P from the picture given below. You can use the clues given in the box. So basically what you have to do is you have to color and circle all the items that starts with letter P. Like here we have parrot, here we have pineapple, here we have pear, here we have paint, paintbrush, pencil, all that. So it's basically a very thorough book for practicing letters, sounds. So when you get through this book, you go to the second book, that is a vowels and sound book. So now you know all the alphabets and the beginning sounds of those alphabets. Now next what you have to do is you have to understand what are vowels and what are the sounds of the vowels. See, they have their contents here as well. Introduction to vowels and consonants, vowels and consonants, vowel combination A, E, I, O, U, all that. Then vowel sounds, short sounds and then long sounds in second blend 1 book. Consonant sounds, vowel sounds, and all the answers are there in the back. And this is the best thing I like about these workbooks, that they have given all the answers so that the child also knows that he's doing right or wrong, and we can show them to it. It is done like this, beta, it is done like that. So let's go and start. Introduction to vowels and consonants. So identify and encircle the vowels that can be observed in the given picture. So basically you have to encircle all the vowels here, like O, 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 I. They are all in capital letters. It's a shape of a ship, if you can see. So kids get tempted by seeing the images and they really want to do the workbooks. Then introduction to vowels and consonants again. Now understanding all the vowels and all the consonants. So this is for parents to understand and to teach them. Now all the A letters and words. I, U. They have very different ways to teach vowels and sounds. Like A is also pronounced as O. So now all the O words are here. So basically when you start telling your child that this is all, crawl, wall, so they are going to understand that A can also be pronounced as O, and they will memorize it, I'm sure. Like this. When U produces its short sound, it is pronounced as A. So, sun, run, gut, get up, make up, plum. And then when U produces its long sound, it's pronounced by its name, that is U. So, tube, fuel, duty. It's really, these workbooks really contains all the things the child needs to know from age 4 to 7. Everything is there. It's not just that we have to complete the whole book in a year, but if you do, it's very, very good. So you don't need anything else, any other worksheet, any other book to teach your child this much English. This is all you got to need. So this is the second workbook, vowels and sounds. Now let's come to the third workbook. These both workbooks are of blends 1, blends 2. So basically it's when your child is thorough with the vowels, the sounds, the consonants. Now it's time to start reading and making the words by himself. So this workbook is going to help in that. If you can see. And the workbook is very colorful, very tempting to read, very engaging for kids. There are images so beautiful that kids really love. So this is the third workbook. I'll just show you one page so that you understand exactly what this workbooks say about. Read the sentence carefully and underline the words with either one of these blends. Lit, nd, rid. So now match each sentence to its corresponding picture. The bird is flying around the pond. So now you read the sentence, now you have to match it with the picture here. The bird is flying around the pond. So this just does not make you read, but it also makes you connect with the pictures. So when child reads their books, they also connect with the pictures inside those books. These are the practicing things. And they also give every time note for mommies and daddies, which is very beautiful. They always encourage you to do not think like your child is any lesser, but to encourage the child to do more. That's all you can do. And for that, they are providing these fantastic workbooks. So this workbook basically is about combination with similar sounds, all that, and story time. So all after doing everything, about English, everything the child needs to know about English, to know about reading. Now they are ready to start making stories, to understand the stories so that they can read their own story books. So like this, 3 words ending with the consonant blend lid. So now the child needs to remember what all words he read, what all words you taught him, and go around and find the words that starts with that ends with the consonant blend lid, like it's old, gold, bold, sold, like that. You can help them, but still. And then there is answer sheet for every activity they have. So you don't have to worry about if you think that you don't know the answers or anything like that. You can take help of these answer sheets. Every answer sheet is right here in front of you. So yeah, these are all the workbooks. They just don't have English workbooks, but they have math workbooks as well. For age 4 to 7, 4 topics, class 5, 13 topics, class 2, 12 topics, class 3, 12 topics, class 4, 14 topics, class 1, 7 topics. Everything is there. Sample worksheet, you can just scan it and then get your own simple worksheet. So free resources they have: Olympiad worksheets, creative writing, videos, poems, concepts, blogs, and other things. And yes, there's a very big news that there is a Hindi workbook as well as science workbook. I think they already launched the Hindi workbook, so you can check it on their website. So these workbooks are for age 4 to 7. If your child recognizes the letters and sounds, this is a must-go set for your child and for you to make the learn easy. Thank you. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well as like and comment on this video.